Hi, I'm Julie from Peaceful Place Organizers. I'm a certified professional organizer. I have a company based in Massachusetts with 15 organizers who are part of Team Peace, getting people organized for life. I would like to talk about my clients who all seem to have an older sister named Anne. I don't know why that is. Here's what Anne does. Anne has a perfectly organized house, and she always has. Even when you were growing up with her room was neat, yours was messy. Fast forward 20 years, you're living your life. Maybe a curveball comes at you, one of the 5 Ds of disorganization that I've talked about in other videos, and your somewhat messy house just gets to be out of control. Well, Anne likes to swoop right in and offer her help. She says, you know what? I'm going to come over this Saturday. We're going to completely take care of this terrible closet in your dining room and your clothes. So we're just going to get it all done and I'll be here. Okay, fine. All right. Well, Saturday rolls around and what Anne brings is maybe good intentions, but she brings some judgment maybe. And thinks she's being helpful, but she says things like, you know what? The whole reason why this place is a mess is because you never get rid of anything. You're just like mom. Remember how her house was when she passed? Well, that's how your house is going to look unless you get rid of all this stuff. You haven't worn any of these things in years, and I will be happy to just take them, and you just need to get rid of them. I mean, period, the end. They got to be gone. You have way too much stuff. Well, this doesn't really work too well. And as a matter of fact, it sets a lot of my clients back by years, honestly, sometimes. So Anne is not really a good solution for getting organized. I mean, sure, maybe some of you guys have an older sister or a younger sister or a sister who has helped you, but often I find that just isn't really the case. But it's a necessary step on the journey for a lot of people. So thank you, Anne. You are bringing people one step closer to being organized for life.